I have been loving this hair oil. I like to apply it when my hair is like partially wet, so a little damp but starting to get dry. I just got out of the shower not too long ago. This is the Clean Full Hair Oil. It's a botanical treatment. It's 2 fluid ounces. A little goes such a long way. I feel like with most hair oils, you really don't need that much. I love this one because it really helps with my frizz and like my flyaways. And it comes in this nice little pump bottle. You literally just need 1 little squirt. That's the consistency. And then I lather it in my hands like this. It's not like a super thick, heavy oil, if that makes sense. It's more of a lightweight oil, and it smells so good. The brand actually had sent me this one a couple weeks ago to test out, and I'm always a little bit hesitant about hair oils because my hair gets really greasy and weighed down super easy. But this one does not leave it greasy or heavy, so I love it, and it just leaves like the freshest scent. It almost smells like a little bit fruity and fresh. It smells so good. And then that's literally all I do. If you need more, you can add more as needed. Sometimes throughout like the afternoon, especially in the humidity in the summertime, I might come back in a couple hours, and once my hair is fully dry, add 1 more little squirt of this. But this stuff is so good. I love it. Lasts so long, doesn't weigh down my hair, and really helps kind of tame the frizziness. So it's a wonderful product.